Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to the top, of course depending on which part of the settings you are, but scroll to the top and find About Phone. Now we have to localize OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode, and then let's go back to the general list of the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Scroll down again and open developer options. Let's tap. So here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. If it is turned off in your case, then tap on the switcher to turn it on, and from now on basically, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device. However, your device will automatically do it while restarting it. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.